test it on various browsers. What you have evaluated in your alpha testing, designing and producing multimedia product. Welcome to Multimedia Technology Design and Development. Unit 10.3, Successful Multimedia Production. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to Multimedia Technology and Design MOOC course brought to you by University Malaysia Sarawak, Unimas. I am Shahrul Nizam Junaini, your course instructor for this unit. In this unit, we are going to discuss about some issues related to successful multimedia production. Right, ladies and gentlemen, let's start. Allow me to start again with a question. What is production phase in your multimedia development process? Well, production is the phase where your multimedia project is actually rendered. But before you begin your multimedia project, it's important to check your development hardware and software. Why? Because this issue, it looks small, but the impact is significant. Let's say that you have gathered your video files. Now, time for compiling. Suddenly, your hard disk is out of space, for example, since small HD video could occupy huge memory space. Such incidents can take time to resolve, not to mention that your deadline is actually tomorrow. Other production issues related to hardware and software worth for you to consider include, for example, what is the best computers that you could afford to buy based on your budget? What is the maybe latest version of your authoring software or tool? What else? What is the capability of your team, of your development team in using the new software? Many other issues that you may think further. But now, let's move on how to work with your client in the development stage. You need to constantly communicate with your client. This is important. Once you have designed your multimedia application that you want to develop, now you need to go through a phase called client approval cycle. First, show your prototype to your client. Ask the comment, critique and suggestion. Then go back and improve it. Then go through the same process for the second time, the third time, fourth time maybe if needed. So the bottom line is that you have to establish a process to make sure that your client is continually informed about what you have done with your project in terms of the stages, the percentage of completion. Make sure that they give you a formal approval of your project as you develop it. Next, you may use cloud computing or cloud-based storage to upload your multimedia files. Then your client may download it later from their site and review it and give comment to you. Lots of examples of cloud-based storage. I'm using Dropbox. You may use box.com or justcloud.com. So many other, just to name a few. Just pick the best one, drop it there and let your client know. So in summary, the issues related to multimedia production are various, but it requires proper planning, management and execution. So that's all for this unit. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next learning unit. Stay tuned. Bye. You need to test it on various browsers. What you have evaluated in your alpha testing, designing and producing multimedia product. Welcome to Multimedia Technology Design and Development.